What you are able
Yes,
to see
sir.
now? White sheet, huh?
Yes,
White
sir.
sheet,
White sheet.
right. So today we'll do it differently, algorithms lab. So laboratory program today is nothing but the mud sort. Morning only I told you, today we'll be doing mud sort. So mud sort, how it will be working. So whatever I'm solving, please write it the algorithms. When we are going for the program, how to convert this algorithm to programming part. That's what we'll be discussing today. So now today, already I told you the first one is nothing but the mud sort. So how to write the mud sort we'll see today now. Can you able to see? One second, I'll share it once again. Can you see the white now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
What you can see now?
Merge sort algorithm.
Mud sort algorithm. So now morning I have given one example. I hope you people have done it. But still I'll take one more example. How to write the code I'll tell you now. See here. So you try to copy it parallelly. So I'm having the numbers called 8, 3, 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 4. This is what the array. Now this is called the low element. This is called the high element, high location. Location, this one. Now what I want to do is, how many elements are there now? Array starting for, let us say the example array A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, A of 7. 7 locations, you can see it now. So now what I told you is, divide and conquer is nothing but what? The problem will be divided into the two parts. So now how to make the two parts is nothing but, you have the locations, you want to find out the mid location, that is nothing but, so I will be taken call the mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. So once you write low plus high divided by 2, now according to this, the low location is nothing but location, not the element. You see, I'll tell you, if it is the location means 0, if it is the element means 8. So that is what you have to remember. A of 0 means 8. A of 1 is nothing but 3. A of 2 is nothing but the location, that is called the 2 element. A of 3 is nothing but 9. A of 4 is nothing but 4. A of 5 is 1. A of 6 is 5. A of 7 is 4. So now I want to find out the mid element. So mid element is equal to low plus high divided by 2. That is equal to 0 plus 7 divided by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2. That is nothing but integer by integer. You will be getting the integer only. So now mid location is nothing but 3. So 3 is nothing but this one. Now this is called the mid. Okay. Now I want to write the function called the mud sort. So how to write the function is nothing but merge sort function. So here you can see low value, high value is there. So now you are finding the mid element. Again you are finding the mid element. That high value up to low is less than high, you can do the process. So that is nothing but the condition if low is less than high. So for this function, you have to write it now. The function is called mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. So now you have to call the same function, merge sort function only. Let us say this one, you write it void. So write the open bracket, close bracket also. Merge sort. So you write it array. Here also you can write it a comma array. So this is nothing but the integer value int low. Here also int a, int high. So once you write this a comma starting element is nothing but here is you can see the array low element, and you found the mid element, you write it the mid element here. So this is called the one function. Now what will happen? Mid will be this mid will be copied to high. So once it is copied, this one value will become 0 plus 3. So next what will happen? 0 plus 3 divided by 2, that is nothing but the 1. So now one part will be happen. 0 plus 1 divided by 2, 0. So now like this lower part, lower positions will be over. Now I want to take the next part of the array. So next part of the array is nothing but recursively. This will be doing recursively until you get the low is less than or equal to high. Once this is finished, the lower bound, now you have to go to the next part of the array. Next part of the array is nothing but after mid plus 1. Now you call the function merge sort a comma. So up to mid you have taken, you take it mid plus 1 comma, the last location is nothing but already I have written called the high. So that is nothing but the high. That's what you have to write it now. So now this one also you will be making the partitions 4 plus 7 divided by 2. So that means 14 plus 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5. So here also you will be making the partitions. So once you make these smaller pieces, you will be getting each elements 1 1. So when you are getting that, you have to merge the function. So that is called the merge. You have to write it a comma low comma high comma mid. That's what you have to take it. This is called the one function. If low is less than or equal to 1, this one. So algorithms, once you write like this, no need to give open bracket, close brackets also. That is called the function. That's it. So this is called one function. Now you have to write the merge function, because this you have to call the function. So now how to write merge function is nothing but, see, I'll write example. By seeing the example only you have to write that one. So above one I have shown the examples here of low comma high values. Once you do this, how to write the function? This one mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, like binary tree concepts only. Now take the lower bound. Next, that one when you are calling here, again you are coming to the mid, again lower bound will be taken the small parts, again lower bound till you get the smaller pieces. Low less than or equal to high condition first, till that time we'll be making the small instances. Once this finished, this condition will become low less than high false, but it would come out of the condition. But what will happen? 3 times you have executed from lower bound only. Similarly the remaining boundaries are there, that one to be executed. That is the reason the other conditions will be executed. Now merge function. Just merge function, you take the 2 to 3 examples I will tell you. So based on that you write the example. For example, now I am having the elements called 2, 3, 8, 9. This is called first part of the location, and second part of the location is nothing but 1, 4, 5, 7. This is called the second part of the position. Now what you do is, this is nothing but the location is called the I. Now this one only I will be considered as also low. Next, this is nothing but high. Now you know that this is nothing but the mid value. Now this is nothing but the mid plus 1. So mid plus 1, I'll be taken one more variable is called j. So that is nothing but j is equal to mid plus 1. Now students, see here. Are you following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now how to write this function? You see it here. Now initialization values I is equal to low, you write it. J is equal to mid plus 1. That's what I have written here. Now k also one more variable, that is nothing but the low I have taken. Now we have to write the condition programming part. Now see here, I will put one while loop. Now see here, first part, I value I can move up to mid. Now you see only this recent example, I value I can move up to mid. So that you write it, I is less than or equal to mid. And now j value can be moved up to high, up to last location. J value I can increment one by one up to high I can move it. So that is nothing but j is less than or equal to high. So no need to by heart the code, I am telling you. No need to by heart the program. Just same code I will show you. When you just copy it, then when I'm writing the code, you see it. Any extra steps are available or not. So now once you write it this, now already I have written the condition if a of I less than a of j. Now 2 is less than 1. 2 is less than 1.
No, sir.
2 is less than 1.
No, sir.
Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Huh? 2 is less than 1.
No, sir.
No. So now one value to be copied to the array locations. So that means what? You take the resultant array location, 1 to be moved first. So now when you are moving 1, so L spot will be going. So L spot is nothing but A of k is equal to A of k is equal to A of j. So now what you have to do is you have to increment. This is nothing but the k. So now k value also to be incremented and j value also to be incremented. That means what? K plus plus and j plus plus. Now once you increment from j value, there is nothing but the 4. Now within the while loop only, 2 is less than 4. Yes. Now first part to be incremented. That means what? C of k is equal to A of I. So now I plus plus comma k plus plus. I plus plus comma k plus plus. Now do you have any problem for this? Like this, you will be copied. Here is 2. Next is 3 is less than 4. 3 will be copied. Next 4 will be copied. 5 will be copied. Next 7 will be copied. Now 8 and 9 only remaining. So now move to the next. Up to here, any doubt? Right. So next one is, I'll move to the next page now. See here. Next page, you take one more example. 1, 6, 7, 8. Here is you have 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2 arrays now. So suppose if you are taking copy to C, you will be having the elements called, so take it down C. You will be copied the elements called now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But still you have the elements. So what will happen when you have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements copied to the array C, but still you have the elements in the first part of the array. First part of the array is nothing but still you have the elements 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 if you are having, you have to copy that elements. Now what you have to do is, so previous example if you see there, up to I values you have moved it. Now up to I values is nothing but J location. Now you have to copy 7 and 8 also. For that you have to write it while, I'll write it down bit, while I is less than or equal to mid. So once you do this, so C of K is equal to A of I. So I plus plus and K plus plus. That is what you have to write. If you have any elements first part of the array, you need to copy it. Now, similarly, take the different example. You are having something like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 8, 9. In this case, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copied. So now what will happen? The remaining elements 6, 8, 9 is there. So 6, 8, 9 is there means second part of that one. That is called the J location is called the J6. So now you write the condition called while J is less than or equal to I. So C of K is equal to A of J. Next K plus plus comma J plus plus. So once you write this, now you write the loop called for J is equal to low to K do of I to C of I. A of I to C of I. So that is what you have to write the values. So this is what you have to write the code. Now see the example here. What will happen? Mud sort. I'll tell you once again that before going for the code. You have the elements called 8, 3, 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 4. Now what happened is you have to calculate the mid value. Once you calculate the mid value, that is nothing but low plus high divided by 2. So to write this, if low the mid value, you can shift to up to low less than or equal to high, because you have to stop when you are doing the recursion. So that is the reason if low is less than or equal to high. So now calculate the formula. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Now mud sort is equal to calculate the formulas. Once you found the mid, A comma, this is nothing but lower bound, you are not changing anything. The mid values is nothing but the mid location is nothing but 3. So now call the same function. What will happen? Once you call this, next it will be mid will be copied to high. That means 0 comma 3 will happen. 0 plus 3 divided by 2. So what will happen? 1. 8 comma 3 elements. Next 0 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 comma 3 is separated. Now you will be doing this merging, this merging. This is what the happening for the first part of the array. So once it is condition false, this come out of the loop. But it has been executed only the first, this part only, say mud sort function only, because remaining part it is not executed. So when it is coming out, this one recursively, because it has been stored into the array. So when it is popping out this, then it will be executing the second part of the array. So once you do this, what will happen? 4 plus 7 divided by 2. So that is nothing but the 11 by 2. That is nothing but the 5. So fifth location. Now it will be happening. So here you are calling mid plus 1 comma high. So mid plus 1 comma high, if you are calling here, so this will be copied to this. Next, this will be 7 comma 1 will be separated. When you are popping out, 5 comma 4 will be separated. So now come back to the merging function. So when you come to the merge function, what will happen? You assume that 2 comma 3 comma 8 comma 9 is there, and another one is called 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7. So I have taken different example. So to understanding purpose. So now you have this is called the J location, this is called the I location, this is called the I location, this is called the mid location. So now array have divided into the two parts, same array only this one. Now I value I can move up to mid, J value I can move up to I. That's what you have to write the condition, while I less than or equal to mid and J less than or equal to high. So now you have to check the condition, A of I is less than A of J. So that means what you have to do, A of I is less than A of J means J value will be copied. So that is nothing but you have taken one more array, that is called the C. K is equal to low means that is called the starting position, wherever it may be, first partition, second partition, third, or any partition. So that K location values will be there. So in that case, what will happen? So second part of the array will be copied. One will be copied to the K location. Now once you copy this, K value also incremented and J value also incremented, because you have to compare. Once it is copied 1, the remaining element is called 4 only. Now when you are comparing, when it is coming to the loop, Y is less than or equal to mid, true. So this is nothing but J less than or equal to high, true. Once it is true, again it will be checking. 2 is less than 4 means first part will be executed. That means what? 2 will be copied here. Now what you have to do? I value to be increment and K value to be increment. That is what I plus plus comma J plus plus. So this is what you will be like this. You will be copying 3 comma 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 7 also. But 8 9 is copied. 8 9 is remaining. In this condition, I less than or equal to mid. This is condition is true. Now J is less than or equal to high means 7 also copied, J value of incremented. That means what? Condition will become false, second part of the array. So in this case, what you need to do, this element still you are remaining, you have to copy this. For that, what I have done is, I have taken this example now. So you have the elements like this. So 7 8 is only remaining in this case, 6 7 8 is remaining. So for that case, I is less than or equal to mid, C of I value to be incremented, K value to be incremented. This is if you have one situation, the first part of the elements is remaining. Similarly, you can assume that second part of the element also sometimes it will be there. As a programmer, you have to think not only the equal part of the elements, first part and second part, equal, dividing equal will be there. When you are sorting out, maybe first time we can copy the first part of the elements or second part of the elements, whatever it may be. So if it is copied only first part, second part you have to copy remaining elements. If it is second part over, first part of the element to be copied. So now second part of the elements how to copy it, J value is less than or equal to mid. So that is what the example I have taken. 6 8 9 if it is remaining, you need to copy only this element. So J is less than or equal to high. So this one is I, if it is first part remaining means I value you can move up to mid. J is remaining means second part is remaining means J value you can move up to high. That is what this one. Yeah, C of K is equal to A of J, K plus plus J plus plus. Now finally, when you are doing this, again you copy to the original location. So A J is equal to low to high. So A of I to C of I. This is nothing but whatever you are taking the loop called I. So this one only you have to write it. I'll write once again here. For I is equal to low to K do. So that is what the statement. You copy the elements to this one, and A of I is equal to C of K. A of I is equal to C of I. That is what the locations you have to write it. So now we'll move to program. How it will be working, we'll see it now. Right. Now I'll come back to this. Right. So now, Rajeshwari,
Yes, sir.
you have written the code now?
Huh, sir.
Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I told. Now, first function is what I told, merge sort.
Huh,
Correct,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So now can you read this function now? Void merge sort.
One second, sir.
Hmm.
While merge sort function,
Ah.
flower bracket.
A comma low comma high, we have written it. Now here we have to write the data types int a comma int low comma high. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we have written a low is less than or equal to high, I hope. Correct now?
Huh, sir.
How you have written?
Sir, mid.
Now you
low.
read what you wrote the function merge sort.
Sir, if low is less than high, flower
Then
bracket.
calculate the mid value.
Yes, sir.
Correct now. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. I have written here the same thing.
Correct, sir.
Yes. Next what you have written there?
Merge sort. A comma low comma mid.
That is
merge
first
sort.
part. Next what you have written?
Merge sort a comma mid plus high.
Mid plus 1 comma high.
Okay, sir. Mid plus 1
I have
comma.
written mid plus 1 comma high, I hope. You can check it out. You have written wrong. Sunil. Jinjar Singh.
Sir.
What I have written? Matsat a comma mid plus 1 or mid I have written?
Low comma which one, sir? Which one, sir?
What I have written the third statement when I am calling recursively matsat a comma?
Third one, sir. Mid plus 1 comma high.
Mid plus 1 only I have written now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
We're using
Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir. Merge a comma low comma high comma mid.
A comma low comma high comma mid means you have to merge the values. So here is what will happen is you are making the small problems. Once you make the small problems, then you have to merge it. So when you are merging, you need the elements is called low comma high comma mid. Now come to the merge function. Now I'll call some other person. Sneha. Sneha. Sneha absent. Correct now? Sneha is absent, I hope. Shruti. Shruti. See, you people are saying network issues that cannot be acceptable. Answer, sir. Without talking only, you are telling network issues, sir. Sneha, where are you? Sneha absent. I'll mark option. That's it. Abhinav. Abhinav. Sir, what for we are teaching? I am not understanding. If you are not listening this, we can't do anything. Deepika. 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 Hey, where there I am? All. Arjun.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we cannot do anything. We are helpless. I'll mark for all the people who have called. They have not responded. No, so we'll mark option. That's it. I'll mark the option. That's it. Arjun.
Yes, sir.
So when you have the two elements, two parts, I made it. When I made it, what I've written the condition there in your paper?
Sir, while I less than is equal to mid and ampersand j less than is equal to I.
And so now before writing this statement, you see that here code. So left hand side I have written it. I is equal to low, j is equal to mid plus 1, k is equal to low. I have written.
Yes, sir.
By the diagram, you can be able to write it that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this is allocation function, that is already I have told you. Now how to write the function also, you know that. When you are seeing here a low value, a is nothing but array location, you have to write it. Low, here is high, next is mid. Which way you are passing the parameters, you pass it the same way. If you are feeling difficult, a comma, low comma, mid comma, high also you can write it. The same order you can write it here also. Now, so this declaration, no problem. I told you to write I is less than or equal to mid and j is less than or equal to high. Once you write this, then next what you have written?
If a of I less than is equal to a of j.
A of I is less than a of j. So you have written C of k is equal to a of I, k plus plus I plus plus.
I
one
plus
is
plus. Yes, sir.
C of k is equal to
a of j. Yeah, k plus plus j increment again, sir. K increment,
j increment. Suppose now the next one is if you have the first part of the elements, any remaining elements, copy this what I've written there.
Yes, sir. If I less than is equal to mid, then I have to like go for C of k is
first part of the elements to be copied. So now first part of the element copied here is whatever you have written in the if a of I is less than a of j, same code you write it here also. C of k is equal to a of I, k plus plus I plus plus. That's what we have written now.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
If
now
j
second part of the elements if you are having.
Now if j is less than is equal to high, then the same code has to be written, sir. Upside C of k is equal to a of j.
Yes. Anything extra I have written there algorithm when I have told?
No, sir.
See, I have written because today, because the second page when I was writing, they have given the pen. Sorry to say that refill got over. So with empty pen only I wrote. That is the reason we last it got bit overwritten and all those things. Whatever they have given the pen, I showed you. So that pen refill got over. So that is the reason I couldn't able to write properly last half of the page. Okay, no problem. Second page when I was writing, it got over. So next class I will take care to write that one. Okay. Now please let me know. Arjun, any steps extra have written the code in this case?
No, sir.
So with the diagram, can you write it now, the algorithm?
Yes, sir. Easily we can write.
By seeing that, you can write this program?
Yes, sir.
Any statement you need to by heart the program?
No, sir. No need to. Because
not required, no?
Yes, sir. Not required.
Not required. No need to by heart the program. That's what I want to say that one. That's what you have to improve your skills. If you are doing all the problems in ADA the similar fashion, so you can be able to solve any problem. I'll tell you any problem, because this see, let it be code. Don't bother for the length of the code. You try to understand the concepts. You can be able to write it blindly and go. That's what I want to say that. So looks like bigger one. Don't worry for that. Don't worry for that.
Everything is similar, sir.
Similar only, similar code only. I have not written single code,
yeah, sir.
single line extra. Apart from that, whatever I have written there. using the paper and pen, I have written it. No, I have taken examples also. First, I have
Yeah,
taken
sir.
one
Whatever you
element,
written, everything
and
is
I
there.
value, mid value I have calculated up to when you are merging the elements. I value I can move up to where. J value
Yes.
up to where I can move it. Once it is done, that one. If A of I is less than A of J, so what values is to be copied? First part of the array to be copied. Else second part of the array to be copied. If you have any elements left out in the first array, copy that. Next statement, if you have any left out the second array, copy that one. First part what you have done, that's what the divide and conquer definition says. First you make the smaller problems. How you will be making the smaller problems is nothing but array will be divided into the small parts. That means recursively you are doing. Just you are writing the three statements. That also I'll tell you, no need to by heart that. So if low is less than or equal to high, calculate the mid value. Mid value what to calculate? Low plus high divided by 2. Now you calculate you call the recursively first part of the program. That means merge sort a comma low comma mid. Next you call the next part of the array. So merge sort mid plus 1 a comma mid plus 1 comma high. Next you need to merge the values. Whenever you are doing one values, every time it will call that it will be taken care. So now what I actually 1 and 2 elements only will be copying. But to understanding purpose, I have taken four elements. So that I already have told you. Once again, if you want, I'll tell you. First, what you have to do is I value up to where I can move it. J value up to where I can move it. So that you put into the while loop. Write the condition A of I is less than of J. Copy the one part. Else copy the second part. Otherwise, if you left out any first part of the elements, copy the only first part of the elements. If you have any left out the second part of the elements, copy only second part of the elements. That's it. So now the main program, already I have told you insertion sort, you have done it. The similar fashion you do it. So nothing is extra in this. So integer struct value, enter the values and allocate the memory. A of I is equal to random 0 of. Once you generate the random numbers, print it that. Next, before calling the merge sort function, we have to call the function get time of the day. Next, call the function. Next, find out the get time of the day. Next is sorted array and close this. That is what you have to do it now. So now, once you finish this, how to do it this? So calculate that one and print the sorted array, calculate the time complexities. So once you do this, so now save this and quit the program. So, right. So now see what I've given name. Line number 50.
You wrote QQ, sir.
57.
Int line, sir.
Right. Now, do you have errors?
No, sir.
No errors. Now run the program ./a.out merge sort, enter the elements. So now I'll enter just 6 elements and find out. Is it sorted?
Yes, sir.
Sorted the element?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorted. Now what you have to do is you have to run the different values of n. So different values of n means you take 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 5 different values. So I'll enter 1 lakh now. So now you need to see, now this time it is generated very fast. Now you can enter 2 lakhs. See, sometimes if it is backside is foreground background process, if it is running, it will take time, otherwise it will not come in. So now this values to be taken, and you have to plot the graph. Plot the graph also already I have told you. Already told you. So the similar fashion we need to execute it. Okay. So any doubt now? Any doubts? You have to say.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Anybody? Other people? Anybody is having doubt?
No, sir.
Deepika?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. When I called, you have not responded only. What were you doing? You connected and you went to somewhere. Huh?
No, sir.
Then I waited 5 minutes. You didn't respond only. Sneha also same thing. Now also she is not responding. Sneha and Deepika absent today. That's it. Shruti,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Program.
No, sir.
Now, shall I send through mail this code?
Sir, GCR, sir.
Huh?
GCR, sir.
I'm not getting.
Classroom, sir. Classroom.
Google Classroom, sir.
Google Class, but you have to respond. You have to. I should invite no first. I'll send it through mail. This. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll
Okay,
send
sir.
through mail this. You can execute this, and you have to finish this. Or if you want, you can take the snapshot, screenshot also. Okay. Any doubts? If you have doubt, please let me know this. Now you can execute some other different numbers. 5 lakhs. That's it. So this is the way of writing the numbers. You have to take 5 different values of n. Don't take 10, 15, 20, 30. Last class also I shown you. You have to take minimum lakhs. Take 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Like that you take, then only this time you will be getting. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose if you enter only 5 numbers, only error factor will display. That's it. It will not display the remaining values. Correct now? So that is what it will be coming. So you have to take bigger numbers, then only you will be getting 10. See, now suppose if I enter some 2 lakhs. Yes, you got some time. Suppose you now 3086. Suppose if I give bigger number 3086, it was the previous element. Now see 5405, you got it. That is what you will be getting, different time complexities. So this is what the way of calculating. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. Any doubt? Rajeshwari?
No, sir.
Maithili?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Bhargavi?
Yes, sir.
Deepika?
Hello, sir. I am Bhargavi only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhargavi only. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Gangubai?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Any doubt in that program?
No. No, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, I'll stop this. You have to execute this program today itself. Now only I will be sending. Okay? I'll take attendance, then I'll stop this. Answer your attendance 1.
Present,
2.
sir.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
Aishwarya.
Present, sir.
You people are connecting and not responding only.
Present, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5. Continue.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 5.
Continue.
6 present, sir.
7, sir. 8 present, sir.
9 present, sir. 10 present, sir.
11 present, sir.
12 present, sir.
13 present, sir.
14 present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
Hmm.
17 present, sir.
18 present, sir.
19 present, sir.
Continue.
20 present, sir.
21 present, sir.
22 present, sir.
23 present, sir.
24 present, sir.
25 present, sir.
26 present, sir.
27 present, sir.
29 present, sir.
28, 9 absent. Right. Next.
Present, sir.
30.
30 present, sir.
All right. Next, TD series.
2 present, sir.
3 present, sir. 4 present.
6 present, sir. 6.
5 absent upon. Right. Next, 7.
Sir, 7 present, sir.
Continue next. 9.
Present, sir.
10. 11.
Present, sir. 12 present, sir.
13 present, sir.
14, sir.
Next.
16 present, sir.
14. Savita absent.
Present, sir. 14 present.
But you are not telling only.
I told you, sir.
If you are not telling, I'll mark absent. That's it. Next. 18.
16 present, sir.
17.
18 present, sir.
17. Sneha.
19 present, sir.
20 present, sir.
Sir, 21 present.
17. 18. Spurti.
Sir, present,
18.
sir. I told you.
Okay. 19.
Present, sir.
Okay. 20.
19 present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
21 present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
Okay.
23 present.
All right. Somebody is putting messages in message box.
Sir, 1B by
TD10. TD10. Okay. Next is MCA. TD10. MCA 20 now. Okay. Given. Next is 3. Register number 3. Right. Next is 29. This was right. How given?
Sir, 03 present, sir. 1BY.
Okay. So now I'll be sending the code. Try to execute this. Then we'll see next class. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome.